world. In my Wiingy class number 25, you have seen incomplete car racing game. Let's complete and play the game. I am starting the code with well run. Making new sprite of road track. Set size at 500. Making new sprite of play button. When play button clicked, it should be removed. Again making new sprites of red, blue and yellow car. The red, blue and yellow car sprite should move on some direction. Making sprite of fuel tank, setting its size to 50. It also moves on south direction. When up button is pressed, the red car should move to north. When down pressed, it should move to south. When left means west, right means east. This is the remaining code. Let me explain. When red car touches the fuel tank was removed. Change score by 1. Make new fuel tank sprite at fuel tank moves on south direction. Set size Set fuel tank size to 50. Show title screen. Join score. When red car touches the blue car, remove yellow car, remove red car, remove blue car, remove fuel tank. Make new play button sprite at 200. This is my full car racing game. Come on, let's play. Now I'm going to run the game. Click the play button. I have added some background sound. Now I'm going to catch the fuel tank. See, one scroll. Oh, I lose. That's it, friends. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Muhammad Adyan from Wiingy Robotics.